Today, we're diving into the bizarre and viral story of a young man from Vietnam who did the unthinkable. He made a sudden, radical decision to abandon modern civilization entirely. No cities, no electricity, no markets, just him, a massive lake in his bare hands. His ultimate crazy goal? To single-handedly build a 100% self-sustaining floating island from absolute scratch. This seemingly impossible dream dragged him deep into a hidden, dead silent lake, completely swallowed by the dense Vietnamese rainforest. Unknown dangers lurked in the shadows. The ultimate survival test was about to begin, but right away, one hidden truth becomes crystal clear. This man wasn't just building a house, he was engineering his own future. With zero modern conveniences and zero backup, he used pure skill, raw intuition, and out-of-the-box ideas to forge a new life out of thin air. His first mission, a floating foundation. Scouring the wild, he discovered the ultimate survival material, bamboo. It's tough, lightweight, and incredibly buoyant. He hacked down bamboo stalks one by one, preparing to lash them into a massive raft. But wait, where do you get heavy-duty rope in the wild? He turned to nature, stripping tough bamboo fibers to weave his own unbreakable ropes. Inch by inch, his floating foundation took shape. Next came the wooden skeleton of the house. But here's the crazy part. He didn't have a single iron nail. Instead, he unlocked an ancient building secret. By carving precise holes and custom wooden pegs, he locked the massive joints together in a flawless, nail-free grip. For the roof, he split bamboo into thin, overlapping tiles, perfectly engineered to shed the heavy jungle rain. In just a few days, a sturdy, bizarre little fortress was floating on the water. But shelter isn't enough to survive. He needed food, initially surviving on hand-caught fish and river snails. He soon realized his rocky, steep shoreline was a trap. So, alongside his loyal dog, he navigated the raft to a flat, sandy shore. Here, the impossible happened. He built a farm on top of the water. Hauling rich, black jungle soil and the rotting leaves, he created floating garden beds, planting chilies, fresh vegetables, and even a banana tree. But he didn't stop there. He carved out a mini pond right in the center of the raft to farm live fish, eventually trapping a monster-sized catfish. Realizing he needed to stay highly mobile, he engineered a genius pedal-powered boat. Now, gliding rapidly across the lake, he could harvest massive amounts of bamboo and timber in record time. Then came his most mind-blowing project yet, floating rice paddies. Using bamboo, waterproof banana leaves, mud, and wood ash, he forged a highly fertile floating farm and planted rice seeds. As his floating empire expanded, he noticed a hidden animal trail in the dense woods. Setting a clever trap, he captured 2 wild jungle foals. But this wasn't dinner. This was a brilliant long-term investment. He built them a floating coop to breed, to guarantee his garden thrived. He needed pollinators. Venturing back into the dangerous jungle, he hunted down a wild beehive. With insane precision, he captured the queen bee, luring the entire swarm into a custom wooden box on his raft. Now, he had hundreds of bees pollinating his crops, plus a limitless supply of pure wild honey. Finally, the ultimate payoff arrived. Harvest season. He cut, dried, and threshed his hand-planted rice. Tasting that first bowl of rice, grown entirely on a man-made floating island, was one of the greatest triumphs of his life. What started as a simple raft had evolved into a bizarre, off-grid floating village, complete with a fish farm, lush gardens, rice paddies, a chicken coop, and a buzzing apiary. A year ago, he stepped into this wild unknown completely alone. Today, he stands as the king of a world he built with his bare hands. He proved one profound, hidden truth. You can't conquer the world alone, but if you sync your heartbeat with nature, you can unlock absolute freedom. This floating oasis is living proof that if a human truly wants it, they can build an entire universe from scratch.